The shocking truth about the Chrysler Slant-6 225 engine, the leaning warrior that wouldn't die. The Chrysler Slant-6 225 engine, sometimes known as the leaning warrior that wouldn't die, is a legendary inline-six powertrain that is well known for its long-lasting performance, remarkable durability, and distinctive 30-degree slanted design. It was first introduced in 1960 and has a loyal following among auto enthusiasts over the years because to its strong engineering, fuel efficiency, and extensive use in cars, trucks, and industrial uses. Here is the shocking truth about it in 8 key points. Number 8. Design and introduction. When the Chrysler Slant-6 225 engine was first released in 1960 as part of the G engine family, it marked a major engineering shift from earlier inline sixes. Automakers were able to create sleeker, more aerodynamic vehicle hood lines because to its unique design, which tilted the entire engine block and cylinder head 30 degrees to the right. This significantly reduced engine height. The engine's torque delivery at lower RPMs, a crucial feature for daily driving and commercial vehicle duty cycles, was improved by the use of longer, straighter intake manifold runners, which improved air-fuel mixture flow and combustion efficiency. This slanted orientation was not just for packaging convenience. The 225 model's undersquare design, 3.62 5-inch bore, and 4.125-inch stroke prioritized torque over high-rev horsepower, which was in line with Chrysler's objectives of dependability and drivability above pure performance. The block, a raised deck RG variation, was designed to accommodate a crankshaft and connecting rods with a larger stroke, 6.699 inches, which helped the engine displace 224.7 cubic inches, 3.7 liters. Internally, a strong yet straightforward mechanical architecture optimized for longevity and ease of maintenance was made possible by the sturdy cast iron block and cylinder head, as well as overhead valves operated by a single camshaft positioned low on the block. Number 7. Durability and reputation. The Slant-6 225's remarkable track record of durability and fault tolerance earned it the moniker Leaning Warrior. With regular maintenance, it may frequently operate dependably for well over 300,000 miles and sometimes exceed 500,000 or even 1,000,000 miles. Because of its exceptional thickness and strength, the engine's cast iron block was resistant to warping or cracking when subjected to mechanical or thermal stress. Its cam and block design with vertical push rods provided reliable valve timing accuracy while lowering the complexity and fragility associated with overhead camshaft designs. The parts of the valve train were sturdy and easily serviced or replaced, and the carbureted fuel system's simplicity made maintenance even easier. Such construction, combined with conservative tuning and a focus on low-end torque, meant the engine could endure cold starts, operate consistently across a range of climates, and tolerate varied fuel qualities and operational stresses qualities highly prized by fleet operators and commercial users, including taxi services, delivery vans, and light trucks. Number 6. Power and torque. While the Slant-6 225 was not a high-performance powerhouse by muscle car standards, it delivered dependable and practical power outputs well matched to its applications. U.S. domestic versions produced approximately 145 horsepower at 4,000 RPM and 215 pound-feet of torque at 2,400 RPM, figures reflecting the engine's torque-biased design optimized for effortless, low-speed pulling and cruising. This ample low-end torque was a decisive advantage in trucks and commercial vehicles, which prioritized load hauling and steady-speed maintenance over peak horsepower. Abroad, in markets such as Argentina, performance-tuned variants of the Slant-6 came equipped with enhanced cam profiles, Holley 2-barrel carburetors, and 8.5:1 compression ratios, boosting output to 174 horsepower and a strong 245.6 pound-feet of torque. These engines enabled vehicles like the Dodge Polara RT hardtop to achieve acceleration figures competitive with contemporaneous sportier models such as 0 to 63 miles per hour in about 11 seconds and top speeds over 110 miles per hour, showcasing the engine's potential in moderately high-performance roles. Number 5. Technical features. The Slant-6's design centered on simple, rugged engineering principles to maximize durability and ease of service. Its heavy-duty cast iron block and head retained heat well, contributing to stable operating temperatures and reduced thermal stress. As a pushrod overhead valve engine, it featured a camshaft mounted low within the block on the side mount, driving vertical push rods to actuate rocker arms and valves arranged along the slanted bank. This arrangement allowed for relatively compact valve trains with reduced moving mass, thus minimizing wear and enabling predictable maintenance schedules. The engine used a full-pressure lubrication system with a Gerator oil pump and a full-flow oil filter, enhancing component longevity under extended usage. Carburation was traditionally managed by Carter single or two-barrel carburetors, well known for reliability and simple tuning. Ignition was typically a distributor with mechanical and vacuum advanced mechanisms. Cooling was conventional, with a water pump circulating coolant from the engine jackets to the radiator. The integration of these features created a power plant that balanced performance with long-term serviceability. Number 4. Performance characteristics. The slanted orientation permitted a uniquely advantageous intake manifold design that featured longer, straighter runners, promoting more uniform airflow and enhanced fuel atomization during intake strokes. This attribute helped increase low-end torque and improve throttle response, characteristics well suited to urban and commercial use where stop-and-go traffic or heavy load hauling demanded robust low-speed performance. The engine's combustion chambers and valve timing further complemented these characteristics by encouraging complete and efficient combustion at modest RPMs. With regards to fuel economy, the Slant-6 was relatively efficient for its displacement end period, with some vehicles reportedly achieving over 30 miles per gallon in highway conditions, despite carbureted fueling and lack of modern electronic engine management. This blend of smooth throttle response, torque, and economy defined its appeal as a reliable everyday engine. Number 3. High-performance variants. Chrysler offered performance-improving packages for the Slant-6, most notably the Hyper Pack option from 1960 to 1962. Its use in fleet vehicles and taxis showcased its dependability and ease of maintenance over millions of fleet miles, while its durability earned it a reputation among mechanics as a set-it-and-forget-it engine. The engine's modularity allowed for some parts commonality among Chrysler's inline sixes, making rebuilds and repairs more economical and accessible. Number 1. Legacy. The Chrysler Slant-6 225 stands as an exemplar of engineering prioritizing reliability, serviceability, and practical performance over aggressive horsepower competition. Its nickname Leaning Warrior reflects the loyalty and admiration it commands among vintage car enthusiasts, restorers, and hot rodders decades after production ended. With a devoted community dedicated to preserving and enhancing these engines, Slant-6 powered vehicles remain popular for vintage restorations, daily driver conversions, and occasionally even performance builds, given the engine's inherently strong torque curve and mechanical simplicity. Its longevity also influenced later Chrysler engine designs, embodying principles of durable construction and balanced performance. Collectors value cars with the Slant-6 for their blend of classic American muscle-era durability, economy, and ease of upkeep, solidifying the engine as a true icon in American automotive history. These points highlight why the Chrysler Slant-6 225 is remembered not just for what it was, but for how it defied expectations and outlasted many competitors in American automotive history. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.